Hey guys, in this video I'll show you where to buy a Coca-Cola fridge for your shop. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright guys, on your PC or laptop or even mobile device, open up any web page, and then what you want to do, there's a couple of options what you can do to get a Coca-Cola fridge for your shop. So the first way is to go over to coca-cola.com and then scroll down and then click onto contact us. And then from here, what you want to do is you can either give them a call directly or fill out this contact form, so adding your first name, last name, all this stuff, and then in the message just write saying how you want to get a Coca-Cola fridge for your shop and how many you want and where's the best location or best place to buy in your area. So if you're from Australia, for example, say, hey, I'm from Australia, I'm after a brand new Coca-Cola fridge for my shop, and then just add that to the message and then click on submit, and then just wait a few days or up to a week depending how busy they are to get back to you. But if you don't want to do that, you can always also go to catch.com and then type in Coca-Cola fridges, and as you can see there's one here for $700 Australian. Or you can type in buy a brand new Coca-Cola fridge in Google and then click on shopping, and then just scroll down and have a look at the list of results, and